Subcribe.
Got some fun surprises for you today.
Yeah! Surprise toys!
Let's start by checking out one of these kinetic sand eggs. What I love about kinetic sand is that it holds its shape when you mold it, but it can also easily crumble when you touch it. Here, let me show you. Oh, and look who's hiding inside this kinetic sand egg. We found a minion. This is Stuart, dressed in some sort of Egyptian outfit. Alright, let's check out our second orange kinetic sand egg.
Ooh, I wonder what's inside.
Okay, it's time to break this egg. Look at the kinetic sand move on its own. Pretty cool. And we found a crazy bird. Everyone say hi to Becky from Finding Dory. Let's see if we can get her attention. Ooroo, ooroo. Ow, ow. Okay, I'll stop. Let's check out one more kinetic sand egg. This time I'll break it like this.
Whoa, so cool!
Nice! We got a My Little Pony character. This pony has a green body and pink hair. Let's check out her cutie mark to find out who she is. Her cutie mark is an apple with some pink flowers around it, which means this character's name is Florina Tarts. She's part of the apple family. Woo! We can't stop there. We got some more surprise toys to check out. Whoa, this is a bit of a throwback, but let's check out the Shopkins Season 4 blind box. Here's the collector's guide. Nice! We found Sharon's shoe. Let's check out our other Shopkins. Yes! We got an ultra rare. This is Puppy House. Now let's check out this Marvel Tsum Tsum mystery pack. I wonder which one we'll find. Oh, we got an evil character. It's Thanos, one of the deadliest characters in the Marvel Universe. I've said this before, but this guy cannot die.
What?
Yep, he's pretty strong. We got some more items with this Tsum Tsum mystery pack. This is Thanos' fist. And we can place this right on top of his fist to make it look like he's punching into something. When we're done playing, we can put Thanos right on top. Look at him. He looks so fierce. I wouldn't want to mess with this guy. Alright, we got one more surprise toy here. It's a Minecraft minifigure blind box. This is the Ice series, and let's see who we got. Oh, nice! We got a chicken zombie. This would be a pretty funny costume for Halloween. Anyone gonna be dressed as Minecraft characters? Woo! And check out all the surprise toys we found today. Don't you wish we were gonna open up a few more surprise toys? Well, you're in luck, because we're not finished yet.
Bonus!
That's right! We got 3 surprise play foam ice cream cups today too. We haven't done these in a while, so I'm super excited to check it out. Our first pretend ice cream cup is this strawberry ice cream on top of a strawberry glazed waffle cup. Let's take the strawberry ice cream off and melt the ice cream to see what's inside. Nice! We found a soft spots puppy. Look how cute this pink puppy is. I'm loving the rainbow polka dots. Wait, I think there's something inside this waffle cup. Yes! We got another Marvel Tsum Tsum mystery pack. I wonder who it'll be this time. We need someone to fight off Thanos. And I believe we found just the hero to do that. It's Iron Man, one of my favorite Marvel characters. Here he is in his Tsum Tsum form. And this is Iron Man's glove. Here's his wrist. We can attach the glove to this.
Whoa, careful!
Whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to aim that straight at you guys. And let's place this Tsum Tsum Iron Man on top of Iron Man's glove. Alright, let's move on to the next ice cream cup. Here we have a grape flavored ice cream on top of a grape glazed waffle cup. Okay, it's time to melt this ice cream and see what surprise toy we got. Oh, nice! We got a Minecraft minifigure blind box. Here are all the characters we can collect from the Ice series. Ooh, we found a wolf with a bone. Don't want to take that bone away from him, or else he might bite my fingers. And let's check inside the waffle cup. Yes! Another surprise toy. Well, if it isn't Florina Tart again. How'd you get back here? Looks like she still wanted to play with us. We got one more ice cream cup to go. This one is a mint flavored ice cream on top of a mint glazed waffle cup. Woo! Cold! Let's melt it! We found the Disney Princess Fashems! Say hello to Sleeping Beauty. And inside the cup we have... Oh, what? There's nothing? Just kidding. Hold on 1 second. This surprise toy was too big to fit inside earlier. We got a Twozies blind box. We found Traka! We need to find Traka's Twozie mate Treaty. Hopefully, Treaty's in the next blind bag. Oh, it's not Treaty, but we found Penny. Now we need to find Henrietta too. Hopefully, we can pair all of these Twozies together soon. Here's another look at all the surprise toys we collected today. We found a lot of great ones. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.